What's up, everyone? How's it going? Good evening. I got another request for y'all. And my request was to do the original Dr. Pepper chugging without belching. So I don't have the cup that I originally put it in. It's been a while since I've actually done it straight from the bottle. Alright? Alright. So this original Dr. Pepper. Alright then. So this is Dr. Pepper without chugging. And 3, 2, let's get it. Whew. Yeah, I feel it building up though. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you're new, please subscribe. Leave some comments down below. Give me some likes too, and let me know how I did. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Until next time, take care. Thanks for watching.